In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on battery saver mode in Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings. For that, click on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now simply type in settings. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Simply click on the option settings. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options at left. Make sure battery option is selected. Now if the battery option is selected, you can see over here you'll be able to find the settings related with battery. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for battery saver. You'll be able to find the button over here. What you have to do is simply toggle on this button. After you do that, the battery saver mode will be enabled. Right now my device is being charged, so I'm not being able to toggle it on, but you'll be able to toggle on this button. Additionally, you'll also be able to automatically turn on the battery saver when your battery reaches to certain percentage. For that, what you have to do is simply find this option for turn battery saver on automatically at. Click on this option. After that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll not have to manually enable the battery saver mode. It will be turned on automatically when it reaches this particular percentage of battery. So like this, you'll be able to turn on the battery saver mode. So that is how you turn on battery saver mode in Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.